performance assessment for the team members. In case of predictive and hybrid approaches, project manager is expected to do team members performance assessment because I need to provide appropriate feedback and grow my team member. In case of adaptive or agile approach, this responsibility can be taken care by the self-organizing team, which means the team can have their own mechanism to provide feedback to each other and grow their team members. So let's focus on project manager role when it is predictive or hybrid approaches for performance assessment. These 7 activities which I'm sharing can help you in really doing good performance assessment, and they will also help you in navigating PMP exam question. The first thing you need to keep in mind is it's a collaborative activity. It's not like I want to set the goal for the person and the person must achieve it. No, it is something we are collaboratively figuring out what can be achieved in an upcoming time duration. The second thing I need to focus on is I need to focus on strength of the individual. When we are setting collaborative goal, when we are finding how do we make best use of our time and opportunity, first focus is maximizing the utilization of individual strength and be aware of the weaknesses. We can have an improvement for weaknesses as well, but first I need to make sure the strengths are utilized well. The third thing I need to keep in mind is it's a feedback conversation. And it's a bi-directional feedback conversation. So in the performance assessment, I will do fact-based feedbacks. I will share my confusions with my team member. It could be positive and negative. And I will also ask fact-based feedback for myself, because by having open conversation, we will set the right objective and support environment for upcoming duration. It's an opportunity to clarify roles and responsibility. This is the place where I can probably make sure the project team member is also aligned to the overall project objective. The fifth thing I need to keep in mind is that this is a place I can also find out opportunities for training, mentoring, and coaching. I can understand if the team member needs some support, we can identify that and make it as an action plan as a result of this activity. The sixth thing you need to keep in mind is it should be periodic activity and frequent activity. It should not be like we do it once in a year. Then we are not getting time to really learn and improve. For an exam perspective, for a mindset, you can say, oh, it's something like a monthly we do. It's a frequent activity. And the seventh and the final thing which I'm mentioning here is that it could be formal or informal, which means you may have a formal process where you need to create an artifact of your conversation, talk about what were the goals, what are achieved, and what is the next session item. It could be a formal process, or it could be an informal process where you talk to the person over a coffee and you keep discussing what I can do, how we move forward, and how can we make sure that we utilize your strength well and you enjoy working in this particular project team. So these 7 ideas will help you in doing good performance assessment as well as navigating your PMP exam related questions.